So what's going on with this Samsung laser projector? Here are 3 things you need to know about this home theater laser projector. First, its cinematic brilliance. Experience cutting-edge laser technology and vibrant 4K resolution, delivering a cinema-like picture quality and stunning contrast with 2200 lumens. Transform any room into a home theater with an impressive 130-inch display that captivates with its clarity and brilliance. Second, it's smart and seamless. Powered by Tizen, this projector offers a next-gen apps and intuitive controls, enhancing your viewing experience. With built-in Alexa and Bixby voice assistants, effortless control is at your command. Plus, enjoy the convenience of the One Remote, simplifying your interactions with connected devices and content. Third, it's a compact marvel. The ultra-short throw technology allows the projectors to sit inches away from any wall, seamlessly blending into your space. Its compact design turns any room into a home theater, offering immersive entertainment without the need for extensive setup. All in all, fantastic laser projector.